Namaste, my dear FitStar Fitness family. I welcome you once again after your rest day. Before we get started, I saw something interesting on the social media network today about life and about motivation from none other than Jagu Dada. Yes, क्या बोलती public? It's from Jackie Shroff. Let's check out.
बाहर भाई ट्रॉमा, माँ मरी, बाबा मर गए, भाई चले गए, ये सब चले गए ना। एक एक वो आए, हम लोग आए, हम भी चले जाएंगे। अब वो लेकर घूमना नहीं। 3 चले गए, 3 आए। कृष्णा आई, टाइगर आया, मेरी औरत आई, मेरी माँ चली गई, मेरा डैडी चले गए, मेरा भाई चला गया। तो बैलेंस होता है लाइफ। अब मैं चला जाऊँगा कुछ दिन में, और चले जाए, कोई आएगा, ऐसे चलता रहेगा। बेड़ो ये चाल तो है ही है। उसमें डिप्रेशन किस बात का भाई? आजू बाजू अगर गम देखे तो अपना गम बहुत कम है भाई, समझा ना? याद रखना, ये नहीं रोते रहना, अरे मेरे को ये नहीं मिला, अरे मेरी उम्र होते जा रही है, वो मुझे काम नहीं मिल। अरे हटा यार, तू जो चल रहा है फिर रहा है, तेरे हड्डी में दम है, बहुत हो गया भाई। अच्छे अच्छे निकल के कौन याद रखता है भाई? जो जिसके लिए पैदा हुआ वो होगा। ये लाल कलर के फूल हैं तो लाल कलर के रहेंगे, वो पीला है तो पीले रहेंगे। बेचारे को कट के किसी ने भेज दिया, काट के, तो बेचारा कट के आया हुआ है, वहां लगा हुआ है झाड़ों में। सबका अपना अपना है, सब खुश है अपनी जगह। गम तो सबको है भाई, इंसान है तो गम होगा ही, मरना तो सबको है। माता पिता के साथ प्यार कर रहे हैं, बच्चे से प्यार कर रहा है, जाना है छोड़कर, वो भी पता है, दिल तो टूटता ही है। मगर रोते रहने का काम अपना नहीं है बाबा। रोते रहेंगे तो आप रोते ही रहेंगे, गुर्बत में ही रहेंगे तो गुर्बत में ही रहेंगे। एनर्जी बनाओ यार, एनर्जी बनाओ कि लोग आए आपको देखने कि हाँ यार ये स्माइल, कितना भी प्रॉब्लम होगा, अपना स्माइल है, अपना हेल्थ है, अपना मेरुदंड सीधा रख। मेरुदंड मतलब स्पाइन सीधा रख, बाकी टेंशन मत ले। भाई लोग सबको बोलता है डिप्रेशन की गोली खा खा के पैसे देने वाली बात है, समझा? डिप्रेस्ड, साइकोलॉजिकली अपसेट, अबे हटा यार, हट।
है ना इंटरेस्टिंग? सो जग्गू दादा का कहने का मतलब यही है, लाइफ को एज इट इज़ जैसे मिलता है वैसे जियो, अपने आप को लकी महसूस करो और खुल के जियो विदाउट एनी गम, राइट? सो ऑन दिस नोट हम लोग आज से बैटल स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं अपना वीक 7th वर्कआउट। यस, सो लेट्स गेट started. So, stepping up on the ladder for 10 minutes is a great way to start the warm up. So, let's get started. And once you complete your warm up, make sure that you take at least 5-minute break before moving to the next main workout for today. So today's main workout is this and this. So it will be total of 4 sets, and 4 sets it includes full body starting from legs, upper body and your core. So this 4 exercise, what we'll do is we'll start from left and right leg RDLS with keeping bent legs up and back, right? I'll show you all the forms before you know the workout. And second workout will be good mornings, and third workout will be plank hip slides, left and right hip both, and then fourth movement will be steady mountain climbing, left and right leg obviously, right? So these are the 4 exercises that I have designed for you. All are in the straight sets, so you have to complete 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions each, depends on the workout, right? So I'll show you what will be the exercise. We will start from left and right RDLS. So how you do it? So firstly, you stand firm and tall on the ground. From there, make sure that you're lifting your one leg with the bent knees. From there, what you have to do is counterbalance with this leg and your upper body. So my leg goes back and straight. From there, as my leg goes back, I am moving down with my upper body, and as soon as I am parallel to the ground, I am again getting up with your knee kicking forward. Then I am placing the leg once I am back with it again, and I am switching my leg, and then from there again I am lifting my one leg and I am going parallel to the ground as my leg goes back and straight. From there, once I am parallel to the ground, I'm again lifting my body. It's hard to keep a good balance, guys, believe me, right? So this is the front view. I'll show you from one of the side views so that you can understand, right? So what you have to do is you have to lift your knees, and right from there I'm kicking my leg back. Once my leg is straight and my body is parallel, from there I'm getting up and then kicking my leg again forward. One with the left leg. So I'm lifting my one leg parallel to the floor. From there I'm kicking my leg back. Once my leg is straight and my body is parallel, I'm again pointing it back. Hard to keep a balance. From there, lift the leg up. Do it as slow as you can, right? The next set we are going to do is good morning. So for the good morning, you will need these two equipments. So one is the stick, or otherwise you can use the backpack. So from there, if you have a stick, you have to hold it on your back. From there, make sure that your leg is straight, and then you have to push your hips back and then bend the upper body, right? Bend the upper body so that your upper body is facing the floor. Your spine is straight, completely straight and locked out. Make sure that you're not bending the spine like this. You have to keep it nice and locked. Feel good amount of stretch on your hamstring muscle, and then stand up straight. Do it like this. One. Feel a good stretch and warmth on your hamstring muscles, right? So this is the good morning. You can even use the backpack, carry the backpack on your back so that it's the weighted backpack, so that you feel a little bit heavy. It's a good exercise for the hamstring. So you have to wear the backpack. The movement will be same. Go down, parallel to the floor, feel good stretch on your hamstring, and then get up. Go down, 2, and get up. Go down, 3, and then get up. Go down, 4, and then get up. Nice and effective. For the next movement, you have to get down on the floor with all fours. All fours means on your forearm and on your toes. So you have to lie down on the floor in a plank position. From there, make sure that your hips is nice and flat on the ground. From there, what you have to do is you have to do left and right hip dip. So first you move on to your left side, do a dip with your hips so that it feels more strenuous on your oblique muscles, and then get up in the center and then again move it to your other side of the dip, right? So that you have to dip, come to the center, dip, come to the center, dip, come to the center. I'll show you with one of the side views. So you are going to the hip dip. From there, legs straight. From there, you're dipping to the left, center, dipping to the right, center, dipping to the left, center, dipping to the right, right? It literally gives you good stretch on your abs and on your oblique. Slow and steady mountain climbers to the left and right elbow. So again, you have to go down on the floor. Make sure that your arms this time is straight, right? You have to be on the handstand. From there, start in a plank position. From there, bring your knees in and touch your elbow. From there, again, place it on the floor. Bring the other leg, switch your leg, touch the elbow, go down. So from the plank position, you have to slow and steady, keep your body stable and touch your knees to the elbow. Quickly, I'll show you from the side view. Start in the plank position. Make sure that you're not raising your hips. Your hips need to be parallel from the floor. Lift your one leg, try to touch the elbow, and then again place it back. Lift the other leg, try to touch your elbow, place it back. Make sure that you're engaging the core nice and tight. You're not doing it fast. You're just keeping a good balance on the plank, and then you're moving as per the given repetitions. Yes, so now I hope you saw all the movements for today very carefully and intelligently, so that you can, when you do it at home, you can do it with a good form. And for today, I'll take your leave, and I hope you will do this workout and finish it on time, so that we are ready for the day 2 workout for tomorrow. Alright, in this note, I'll take your leave. Have a good night's sleep and keep the motivation up. All the best.